I thought I broke my controller. Bro, they changed it.
I know, if you play beta, you know what I'm facing. I haven't played this game.
I need to check my hairdo.
Oh, I see. Your hairdo is fine. Your hairdo is fine. All your cosmetics say.
I'm in the secret area.
Art station. Art station. We
Yeah,
can
I'm
do
wearing the sombrero.
No.
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Da-da-da-da-da. Wacky.
Your name's Sid. No.
Yeah.
We're angry, even though I don't care.
Where's my reward right now? Why do I keep missing? Oh, there's my friend.
Yeah, I like.
Can anybody see me?
Guys, I can teleport. Guys, I have this weird glitch. It's like this. Guys, look at this weird glitch. I want to go to the teleporter.
Guys, I'm telling you, but you are acting like it's
But
hard
teleporting
you don't
inside
want me to be here. Got you, buddy. Long page jump at one
Wait,
second.
to get me to go.
Do this quick.
I know I was angry, even though I'm fresh and pleasing.
Alright.
Jumpy. Boing. Boing.
Alright,
Boing.
let me watch the video.
I'm doing fashion up, please.
Alright.
I know I was angry, even though I'm fresh and please. Playing no fox in the sky. It's me. Hey, you black
Alright. I'm trying. Alright.
You just get on beside him. Seriously, use my mask. Hello, face.
Alright, and then.
Oh, I gave him a medal. I gave him.
What the heck?
Why he didn't like that song?
And then.
Buddy, go away.
And then.